Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the JIOMART app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it to be able to decide if this mobile app will be a better choice and a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. The JIOMART app is a convenient online grocery and shopping platform for resilience, offering everything from fresh produce to electronics at competitive price. It's known for fast delivery, regular discount, and integration with geo services, which make it a solid option for daily household needs across India. However, users have reported occasional delivery delays and limited stock in some areas. So in conclusion, the JIOMART is worth using for its affordability and a wide range selection, especially if you are already within the Jio ecosystem or looking to save on essentials. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. You're welcome.